Welcome to 10th class students. Here, this year, you are going to write two papers. Paper 1, that is totally from geography, and civics part. And paper 2, Indian history, and world history. These topics will be covered in your 10th standard. Children, let us try to understand. In your examination point of view, I am going to tell you the model question paper for paper 1 and later paper 2. What type of questions they will ask you? How can you answer for the different kind of questions? Here for paper 1, in your annual examination point of view, 40 marks paper. Total 1 to 17 questions will be there, and 1 to 7 questions, 1 more questions, and 8 to 13 questions, 2 marks questions, and 14 to 17 4 marks questions. And 18 to 27, here big paper, 10 into half, 5 marks for big paper. Eight to 10. Total 40 marks. Here, 1 word answers, 1 mark questions, 7 questions will come. 2 marks questions, 6, 4 marks, 4, big paper, half marks, then bits will be there, that is a multiple choice questions. You will get 5 marks, total 40 marks are from paper 1. and as well as for remaining 40 marks, same paper, 7, 12, 16, 5, 40 marks, paper 1 and paper 2, total 80 marks. FA1, FA2, FA3, FA4, 20 marks. Internal marks we are calling this. Here you must do projects. Compulsory you have to complete your classwork. You have to collect the information, contemporary issue, and you all must write a slip test. Internal observers will come and they will check. For example, if your roll number is 1, they will collect your social studies classwork, social studies project work, and as well as are you completed or not your contemporary issue, have you written or not the slip test, each and everything, all the 4 they will check. Here, while you are going to write your project work or contemporary issue, how the marks will be allotted. For your response, 3 marks. For your information, 7 marks. Of these, we may divide. 3 is for your response, 7 is for your information. If we come to the project works, the project works will be given individual projects and group projects also will be given for you. As per your class strength, you will be divided and the project works will be given by your concerned subject teachers. How can you get, how to achieve, how to score maximum marks in your examinations? As a 10th standard student, as an average or below average student, don't feel. If you concentrate 1 mark questions, you will get 7 marks. If you read the textbook total, you will get paper 1 or paper 2 12 marks. And of these 4 marks questions, 1 is map pointing. If you practice India outline map, you will get 2 marks. As well as Telangana outline map, two marks. If you draw India outline map and pointing out, another 2 marks. If you draw Telangana outline map and pointing out the map pointing, and that 2 marks, you will get the 4 marks. Means here 4 marks is for map pointing. Another one is 2 marks are for 4 plus 2. From map pointing you will get definitely without any doubt. Here out of 4, 1 is map pointing, your choice. Here out of 6 questions, 1 is compulsory mapping skill. Map will be given. After reading that, you have to answer some questions. For example, India. They will be given here India map something. After giving the India map, location of India. (8 degrees 4 minutes) and 37 degrees 6 minutes. 68 degrees 7 minutes, 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitudes. If you write that location of India, you will get 1 mark. The distance of India from north to south and as well as west to east. If you write the distance of India from north to south or west to east, you will get 1 mark. Here 1 and here 1, you will get the 2 marks. Here, like this, for map pointing, you are going to achieve 4 plus 2, 6 marks. So here 12, 4. Remaining how many are there? 3. 12 marks are there of these 12. Easily maximum students will get 6 marks, and from bit paper 5 out of 5. Out of 40, you are going to get 34. 34, 34. 68 plus 20. 88. To get 10 out of 10 points, you need 4 marks. Here from paper 1, 2 marks, try to get, and from paper 2, try to get 2 marks. If you get that 4 marks, you are success. Easy. And maybe you are thinking yourself, paper 1, only India map will be given, sir? No. Globalization lesson is there. Globalization, from this lesson compulsory world map will be covered. While you are going to write your practice tests, from this lesson exactly world map is there. Why? Because MNCs are there here. Multinational companies. Why these are called as multinational companies? because these companies are owned its products, it's producing its products. They have the companies more than one nation. That's why this is called as a multinational companies. Sundaram Nuts, Ranbaxy, these all are multinational companies. And from paper 2, world map will be given from paper 2. Compulsory everybody must concentrate on world map. And from Telangana struggle, formation of Telangana, compulsory Telangana state, outline map of Telangana will be given. And from population lesson, the people and the population lesson, Telangana state is given, and of these different districts will be given. The district population and literacy will be asked. That is of these male literacy and female literacy will be asked here. So when you are able to answer all these, when you are concentrated on the textbook, if you read this textbook perfectly, then you are able to answer all these questions. No doubt at all. From population lesson, from rivers lesson, from climate of India, from Rampur village economy, here case studies will be given. Here the farmers are available, but they are ready to work for low wages. It was earlierly electrified, but in that area that was irrigated, and the crops, whatever the crops they are produced in the entire country, the crops also will be asked here from the map pointing. Peaks, mountains, ranges, highest mountain ranges, Dodabetta, Udagamandalam, famously known as Ooty, Deccan Plateau, Eastern Coastal Plains, Western Coastal Plains, Thar Desert, Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagapur Plateau, Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagapur Plateau, Deccan Plateau, Tibetan Plateau, Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Brahmaputra, and as well as tributaries of river Indus. Tributaries of river Indus. What are the main tributaries of river Indus will be asked? Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Sutlej. and as well as where the river Krishna is originating, river Godavari, river Brahmaputra. In Bangladesh, river Brahmaputra is called in what name? Write about Ganga plain. Different questions will be given. When you are able to read that particular textbook, then you are all able to answer whatever the questions now I am telling here without any doubt. Now if we come to the world, everybody must maintain atlas. And practice here. This is Hudson Bay. Baffin Island. Greenland. Iceland. This is Ireland. Mediterranean Sea. In this Mediterranean Sea, small group of islands are there. Here, this is Italy. Here, Sicily. Italy, Sicily, Corsica, Sardinia. Red Sea. Hudson Bay, Baffin Island, Greenland, Iceland, Ireland, Mediterranean Sea, Italy, Sicily, Corsica, Sardinia, Red Sea, and Caspian Sea. This is Black Sea. If you practice these, without any doubt, you will get 4 marks from mapping skill. And here, if we come to the North America, this is Alaska, looking like a bird, flying bird. Shade it. If you shade it, you will able to understand here. These are the wings. Alaska. And next one, this is Canada. USA, Mexico, Panama Canal, Panama Canal, Alaska, Canada, USA, Mexico, Panama Canal. And next one, Now let us see here. If we come to the South America, the longest country in the world, Chile. What was that? Chile. Next one is Peru. This one. This is Ecuador. Ecuador. From this 0 degrees, Ecuador is passing. Chile, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, French Guyana, Brazil, Bolivia, Uruguay, Paraguay, Argentina. Once again, let us see here, easy map pointing task. From North America, this is Alaska. This one is Canada. This one USA. Mexico. Panama Canal. This is North America. In this North America, islands, these are Hudson Bay, Baffin Island. Here this is Baffin Bay. And now we are coming into the South America. The longest country in the world is Chile. Next one is Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, French Guyana, Brazil, Bolivia, Uruguay, Paraguay, Argentina. And after next coming classes, I will teach you Europe continent countries and Africa continent countries, Asia continent countries. Then after remaining about Indonesia, Jamaica, Cuba, Madagascar, remaining all Japan, China, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Indonesia, Vietnam, Taiwan, Cuba, and Sudan, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Madagascar, Cape Town, Morocco, Algeria, Libya, Egypt, Cairo. All these places we discuss in our upcoming classes. Once again, listen. If you concentrate on your textbook, you are able to get 10 out of 10 points, no doubt at all. In our 10th standard, our social studies is the easiest subject. Don't get bored. And if you concentrate, easily you will get maximum score. So, once again let us see here, North America, South America, we discussed here the countries about our map pointing. Okay.